Polipol Island is one of the most popular tourist destinations, Bani Pangasinan. It is just 5 minutes away from Alacapen Beach and 15 minutes away from Patar Beach in Bolinao through motorboat ride. Amuse yourself with nature. Polipol Island has lots of stunning scenery. It is also a perfect spot for sunset watching. This little paradise became popular because of its natural beauty and its cliff jumping activities. You can cliff jumping as high as 15 feet, and the fossilized clams on top of the island also makes it special. You can visit Polipol Island any month of the year, but the best time to visit is during summer. Polipol Island became popular because of the beautiful beach, spectacular sceneries, good sunset watching spot, and cliff diving activities. You must try cliff jumping as high as 15 feet at Polipol Island. Like most beaches in Pangasinan, Polipol Island have crystal clear water, which is best for swimming. Although the island is surrounded by rocks and seagrass, there are some areas where there is a white sand which is suitable in swimming. Bring with you your snorkel, because the water in Polipol Island is crystal clear, which is good for snorkeling. You will enjoy to see fishes swimming around. You can also collect Caulerpa lentilifera, Arorosep in Bolinao, or Lato in different languages. It is a species of bryopsidale green algae. This seaweed is one of the favored species of edible Caulerpa due to its soft and succulent texture. Fishing in Polipol Island is allowed. Fishing is one of good activities in the island. Fishing rod and line is best for shallow waters. The island is surrounded by rocks formations and coral reef. Seagrass and sargassum are also abundant in the island, which serves several benefits to marine life, providing food, refuge, and breeding grounds to much fishes in the area.